Meaning of Johns Hopkins.
Johns Hopkins.
Johns Hopkins.
Johns Hopkins.
Johns Hopkins. Johns Hopkins is a name that refers to a university and a hospital system based in Baltimore, Maryland, USA. The university was founded in 1876 with a donation from the philanthropist Johns Hopkins. It is known for its excellence in research and education in areas such as medicine, public health, engineering, and business. The hospital system, also named after Johns Hopkins, is affiliated with the university and is a world-renowned medical institution where many advances in medicine have been made.